1, 2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing something really fun. I'm so excited on acoustic guitar. The Pointer Sisters. Cool, so it's fun to try stuff like this, you know. Maybe it's not made for acoustic guitar, but anything works. So let's just put the capo on 3rd fret, please. Nice, open, sweet chords. We got E minor. E minor shape. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got C major. And we got G major. 1, 2, 3. So that's the verses. For the pre-chorus, we do have a bar chord. We have the F sharp minor. So we got a bar 2nd fret. 4, 4. A minor. Then we have a B over C, and to D. I can explain the B over C when we get there. And yeah, I think that's all the chords we need. So we got verses, pre-chorus, and we got the chorus. Okay, so let's talk about the switching and then the strumming. We got E minor. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor. 1, 2, 3. C to G. E minor to A minor. C to G. And then F sharp to E minor. F sharp pre-chorus. A minor, C, B to C. So from A minor, you keep your first guy where it is, and just move your 2nd finger from the D string to A string, 2nd fret, and lift 3rd finger up. So, and then D major. 1, 2, 3. Excited, E minor to C, C to D, E minor, E minor to C, C to D, minor. Okay, so that's the form and the chords. Let's see, we can use F sharp. Yeah, this is a good strumming. Down, 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 E second time, actually, they don't go to the pre-chorus. They go straight from verse to chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. That's all the parts. All right, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Have fun jamming this song. I'll see you tomorrow. Be careful. Be safe. Thank you.